Welcome back to my channel. Friends, when we see some circuits, we see inductor, coil, choke, and when we see in the circuit diagram, we see a symbol like this. The word L is used to indicate in the diagram, in the schematic, but practically it may be in different shapes. Some of them in this shape, some of them in this shape, in this shape. Sometimes it becomes like a diode, just only ferrite bead around a wire. Sometimes it is in this shape, like this, and sometimes it is in this shape. Sometimes we see inductor like this, and there is a value marked on the component 4R7, 4.7 microhenry. Sometimes we see choke like this, inductor, it is also inductor. Sometimes we see inductor chip in SMD packing. Basically, inductor is a piece of wire that is wound around a ferrite core. It is used in AC circuits where frequency is involved. This inductor is used. It is called a resistor in the AC circuit. It provides inductive reactance. In some military specs, in some industrial circuit cards, we see inductors like this, or in this shape. So it is looking similar to a resistor, but it is not a resistor, it is inductor. It have a color marking. It have EIA standard. How we can read color code and how we can know the value? 3 band, 4 band. If we have inductor 3 band, first band, second band, third band, 3 color bands, and the fourth band none. We don't have fourth band at that time. We will consider these 3 bands, and here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and other that is 4 band, but that is military spec, or it is called industrial spec. That is first band, that is identifier band. Actually that will 4 band, but the first band, that is thick silver band, the double silver band, then the other bands. So it will be left side, and it is military standard band. The first thick band, it will identify the military spec or industrial specification. The color coding will remain same. If we have 3 bands and we don't have identifier band and we don't have the rightmost band, that is tolerance band, we will see the color either it is 3 band or 4 band. This one is 4 band with identifier, that is silver band. First band, that is brown, brown, green, brown, silver, and here double silver. This is military standard. Then brown. We will locate the number from here. Brown is 1. If the first band is brown, we will write here 1. Then we will locate the second band. Second band, that is green. We will locate green. Green is 5. We will write here 5. Then brown. Brown is multiplier. Third band, if here or here, the third band, this is third band. First, second, third. Third band, that is brown band. So brown is multiplier 10. We will multiply with 10. It is 150 microhenry, 150 microhenry. Then there is silver. that is tolerance band, the fourth band, tolerance band. Silver plus minus 10%, plus minus 10%. So the total inductor value 150 plus minus 10, so plus minus 10, that will equal to 15. So it is from 135 microhenry, if you will minus 10%, to 165 microhenry, and the exact nominal value, that is this one. If you don't have silver band, at that time it will 20%, here 20%. And if we have the last band, black band, if this color is black, that is also 20%. If we have gold, that is plus minus 5%. Brown plus minus 1%, red 2%, the last band. It is tolerance band. Third band multiplier, the same is here. First, second and third. And here, fourth. In this condition, military standard, white band, double band, then brown, green, brown, brown 1, 5, then the third band, that is multiplier, 10. Brown, if third band is brown, we will multiply with 10. If we will test it with multimeter in ohms or in continuity, it will give 0 ohm. And if we will check the resistance, it is giving 4.6 ohms. But if we will check with inductance meter, it is giving 0.192 millihenry or 192 microhenry. So its acceptable range, that is 165. It is showing some higher value than the upper limit, that is 165 microhenry. It involves many parameters. We are using test leads. The test leads, because the test lead, it is also have some inductance. And if we check this inductor, it have double silver, orange, brown, silver. Orange, the first orange band, that is 3, the second orange band 3, then the multiplier is brown. We will see the brown is 10, and then silver plus minus 10%. So it is 330 microhenry plus minus 10%. So if we check with some good inductance meter, 330, and we will take 10% of 330, so it will become around 33, 297 microhenry up to 363, because if you take 330, 10%, so it will become 33 microhenry. 330 minus this value and 330 plus this value. So if we check this inductor with inductance meter and we find the value closer to this band, it is giving 395 microhenry. So in this value 363, multimeter error, and battery and other features are involved, other parameters will be involved, but it is giving some closer value, so we can say this inductor is good. Most of the time the inductor becomes open when its internal wire is separated from the core, it is burned out, it becomes open. we have 3 band and 4 band. If we have 5 bands and we have one wide band, that is called double band, thick band, that will be at the left side. Otherwise the bands will start from the left, first, second and third, and right side will be blank. If there is no fourth band, that time the tolerance is 20%. Otherwise, if we have any band out of brown, red, orange, gold, silver or none, these are called tolerance bands. Multiplier is here. If we have third band gold, we will multiply with 0.1, that is decimal point. For example, we have red, first band red, second red, gold. So red is 2 multiply with 0.1, so it is 2.2 microhenry. And if we have red, silver, so 2 multiply by 0.01, so it is 0.22 microhenry or 220 nanohenry. I hope this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.